Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download FileZilla presets for faster VPS transfers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download FileZilla presets for faster VPS transfers, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official FileZilla website. In the menu, look for the support section. Click on the documentation link. In the documentation, use the search feature to type presets. Find the section that discusses downloading and importing presets. Click on the link provided to access the preset files. Choose the appropriate preset file for your needs. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Open FileZilla on your computer. Navigate to the File menu located at the top left. Select Import from the drop-down options. Browse to the downloaded preset file and select it. Click Open to import the presets into FileZilla. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the import was successful. Next, go to the Site Manager in FileZilla. Review your connections and ensure they match the new presets. Now you can start transferring files to your VPS more efficiently. Test the connection to verify everything is set up correctly. Enjoy your faster transfers with FileZilla's presets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.